In this video, I'll walk you through how to see your calendar events on the lock screen, home screen, and in the Today view. This video will provide step-by-step instructions on adding calendar widgets to easily see your events, saving time, and keeping you organized. Welcome to Ellen's Tips for iOS, where I help seniors master their iPhones and iPads. If you find value in the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss when a new video gets posted. Let's get started. Let's start by adding a calendar widget to the Today view, and I'm doing this on my iPad. You can easily do this on your iPhone as well. From the home screen, I'm going to swipe to the right until the Today view pops up. I'm going to scroll to the bottom where it says Edit. I'm going to tap Edit. I'm now going to select the plus sign in the upper left corner. In the left side here, you'll see a list of all of the widgets available. I'm going to choose the calendar widget. And now you have several options that you can choose from. I personally like this last option, the list view, that gives you a compact view of your upcoming events. I'm going to go ahead and tap Add Widget. And now that widget has been placed at the very bottom of my widget list in Today view. If I push and hold on it, I can drag it, and I should be able to drag it to the top and drop it. And when I'm finished, I can go ahead and tap on Done. And now I have a list view of my calendar events in the Today view. To access this, you can access it from your lock screen. So if I come into my lock screen and I swipe to the right, the Today view appears on your lock screen and you have access to your calendar events from your lock screen. If I unlock my device, I also have that same widget in the Today view with the device unlocked. So that's how you add a calendar widget to the Today view. It's just as easy to add a calendar widget to your home screen. The process is pretty much the same, except this time we're going to push and hold on an empty area of the screen till the apps start to wiggle. Tap on the plus sign in the upper left corner. Scroll down until you see a list of your widgets. Choose the calendar widget. Choose the widget that you'd like to add. So here I'll go ahead and add this particular widget. Tap Add Widget. And now I can maneuver this widget just as easily. I could drag it down below. I could also drag it to its own separate screen if I wanted to. And then when I'm finished, I would go ahead and tap on Done. This last option will be adding a calendar widget directly to your lock screen. As long as your device is updated to iOS 16, this is an easy and fun way to view your calendar events. So you can only do this on your iPhone. They don't have customization. Apple hasn't done customization yet for the iPad. Hopefully that'll happen in this next update, iOS 17. But for now, to access your lock screen on your iPhone, if you're on the home screen, just swipe down from the top of the screen to access the lock screen. Push and hold on the screen and it'll bring you into the customization area where you can either customize this screen or create a new lock screen. I'm going to choose Customize. And now I'm going to tap on the lock screen option. And you'll see under the clock you have an area where you can add widgets. I'm going to tap on Add Widgets. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to choose Calendar. Here you have two options. You have the option where all you'll see is the time on the widget, so you'll know what time the next meeting is, or you can choose the little bit bigger widget and it'll give you a little more detail about your meeting. So I'm going to choose that widget And now it's been added to the widget area of my lock screen. I'm going to tap on the X. I'm going to tap on the X again. And now you can see that the widget, I have a meeting at 11 a.m. this morning. I'm going to go ahead now and tap on Done. And once I come back to the customization area, just tap on the lock screen and it'll bring you back to the lock screen of your device. And now you can swipe up to get into your home screen. But now, this is an easy way for you to see your upcoming meetings directly from your lock screen. Hopefully you found this video helpful in adding calendar event widgets to your lock screen, home screen, and Today view, allowing you to keep track of and organize your day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.